Hi, and today I'll be going over monthly attendance reports for ESS users and employment status plus hours on leave filters. So right now I'm signed in as an admin, and I'm going to go to time, reports, and monthly attendance. Okay, so you can see right here the employment status as a criteria, and also hours worked per day filter. You also have an hours on leave per day filter too as well. So I'll go and create an example. Let's say I want employment status permanent. Okay, and I want hours worked per day greater than 5. So I can go and click search, and I can go and see the results right here. Okay, so you can also do less than, between, so on. And you can also have hours on leave per day in case you want to go and see employees with greater than 1 hour of leave per day. You can use your filters and your criteria to your liking. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and sign in as a ESS, and we can view my monthly attendance. So I'll go and log out. Okay, so now I will go and sign in as an ESS employee. And I'll go to time, reports, and my monthly attendance. And I can go and see, based on the criteria I select, my monthly attendance. Okay, we can also go and export that as a CSV if you need it, and you can just go and reset if you want to do another search. Thank you for watching today's training video. If you want to know more, contact us at info@orangehrm.com or visit our website for more information.